After the subsidy on hybrid solar systems, many people are now wondering what the hybrid inverter inside the hybrid system actually is, how it works, and what real benefits it gives. So here, the device you are seeing with me right now is a hybrid inverter, and it is from the company Day. This model has just been launched, and we have not uploaded its video yet. That video is coming soon. So subscribe to our channel right now to see the complete review we have made. Today we are talking about this technology and understanding what hybrid technology really is. Before talking about hybrid, you should know how many types of solar systems or solar inverters exist. Mainly, there are three types of solar inverters: on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid. In an on-grid system, you do not get battery support. So when electricity goes off, you do not get backup, and you also do not get power from the solar panels. In the second type, the off-grid system, you do get battery support and you also get battery backup. Whether electricity comes or not does not matter, because you keep getting power all the time. If you have used solar panels, you can use electricity almost 24 hours. But in the off-grid system, you do not get the grid export feature that you get in the on-grid system. So the grid export feature of the on-grid system and the battery backup feature of the off-grid system are combined to create the hybrid system. This means the hybrid system gives you grid export, it gives you off-grid operation, and it also gives you battery backup at the same time. Now, let us talk about how it works. It works like both on-grid and off-grid inverters. First, let us take an example of how it works in on-grid mode. Suppose you have installed 5 kilowatt solar panels. Your home is using 2 kilowatt load and your solar panels are producing 4 kilowatt power. In that case, the hybrid inverter will run your 2 kilowatt load directly from the solar panels. The extra 2 kilowatt will be exported back to the grid. Now, if your load is higher, for example, you have installed 5 kilowatt panels producing 4 kilowatt, but your home load is 6 kilowatt, then your load cannot run fully on solar power alone. So the inverter will take 2 kilowatt power from the grid and mix it with the 4 kilowatt from the solar panels, and together it will run your 6 kilowatt load. This is how it works. Hybrid inverters are beneficial for everyone, no matter whether you want to go toward on-grid or off-grid. Right now, hybrid systems also get subsidy, and that is why most people are shifting toward hybrid. Many people do not know how it works, so I hope you now understand it clearly. But in the market, you will also find different types of hybrid inverters. Some are transformer based and some are transformer less, like the one you see with me. Transformer less technology gives you many more features. Their efficiency is also much higher, and that is why they cost a little more. Now let us talk about a 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter. A transformer based inverter costs around 65,000 to 70,000 rupees. But a 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter with transformer less technology costs around 1 lakh rupees. So you need to pay about 30,000 rupees extra, but you definitely get the benefit, because in the long run, transformer based inverters lose more power. Transformer-less inverters have efficiency above 95%, so you do not face power loss. This is why installing it gives long-term value. Also, it is based on the latest technology, so you can use lithium batteries to increase your system's efficiency even more. In transformer-based inverters, very few companies offer the lithium battery feature right now. I hope now you have received answers to all your questions. If you still have any question or suggestion, write it in the comment box. If you liked the video, please like and share it. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you keep getting similar videos from time to time. Thank you.